If you flip this coin at kapag tumama dito sa piso sign, sa'yo na to lahat na groceries. Okay? Iitsa lang tayo, itsa. Iitsa lang. In 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my God. Oh, let's go! Piso sign! Okay tayo. Deserve mo to. Ang groceries. Sa'yo na to lahat.
Tighanan nila.
Oo.
Salamat kayo.
Anong masasabi mo?
Pag binigyan,
Oo.
magandang buhay.
Magandang buhay.
Oo.
Ito pa tayo. Meron pa.
Uy,
Uy.
pusos, maganda.
Gabi, swerte ni tatay. So, sasamahan natin si tatay na ilagay yung mga groceries sa bahay nila. Kasi matanda na si tatay at hindi niya kaya to buhatin, di ba?
How young are you?
I'm 26. 88 years old ka na?
Oh.
Wow, grabe. So, ito yung bahay ni tatay. Grabe, ang laki ng mansion mo, tay. Ang laki ng mansion mo.
Maliit lang. It's better that you have a small kingdom,
Oh.
provided that you are the king.
Oh, grabe. English ni tatay. Magaling mag-English.
You know, I am college graduate.
Wow, college graduate. Okay, dito natin nilalagay ito, ha.
You are a very good instrument of God because I received a very beautiful gift.
Oh, you know who did? You know who did?
Oh.
God did. Hey, thank you.
My hands is very dirty.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Please follow Amigo de Biz.